In this short video, we are going to talk about the third step of the formation of urine, which is secretion. Tubular secretion, it is reabsorption in reverse. Certain substances, they are reabsorbed from the urine, from the filtrate to make urine. Certain substances, they are secreted into the filtrate. And secretion, it occurs almost completely in the proximal convoluted tubule. Selected substances, they are moved from the peritubular capillaries through the tubule cells out into the filtrate. They include potassium, hydrogen ion, ammonia, creatinine, organic acids, and bases. Substances synthesized in the tubule cells are also secreted. For example, bicarbonate ion, they're synthesized in the tubule cells. They are also secreted. This is what the secretion is. So this is where our glomerular filtrate it formed, then it went into the tubule, and then certain substances were reabsorbed, and now certain substances are being secreted into the tubule. Secretion is important because certain substances they need to be removed from the body. There are certain substances, for example, drugs and metabolites, they bound to the plasma proteins, and we know that plasma proteins they are not present in the filtrate. They are not filtered from the glomerular capillaries because they are big molecules. So these drugs or metabolites they are secreted into the tubules. Then the body needs to get rid of certain undesirable substances which were passively absorbed. For example, we learned that urea and uric acid they are absorbed in the proximal convoluted tubule. So 50% of the urea it is secreted into the tubules to be removed. And then if this potassium, all of the potassium, almost all of the potassium that is filtered in the filtrate, it is passively reabsorbed. Now if the body wants to get rid of the potassium, it needs aldosterone. So aldosterone, it causes the excretion of the potassium by secreting it into the tubules. And then by secreting certain electrolytes or certain ions, the body it also tries to keep the pH of the blood in the desirable range. For example, if the body has too many of hydrogen ions, it means that the body is in acidosis. Now kidneys they play a very important role in managing the pH of the blood. So if there is acidosis, what will be kidney's job? Kidney's job will be to secrete the hydrogen ions in the tubular fluid, so it can be removed in the urine. And also if there is alkalosis, then what kidneys will do, they will excrete bicarbonate in the urine. This is how kidneys play a role in managing the pH of the body. There is this video present in your Pearson text. You can watch it to revise the reabsorption and the secretion.